Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and today I want to have a little play in this little watercolor journal that fan of Livy's Lovelies, which she made for me. And but my watercolors are actually in storage, but I'm still going to have a play with. I'm going to just use some distress oxide inks and stuff like that. I'm just going to do like a fun little layout, and I've set out some things that I'm going to use in there, and I've chosen a little paper doll. I'm going to use a little butterfly sticker that I got from Temu, some washi tape, and just some random scraps and stuff that I'm going to try to piece together. And then maybe some bling and some tissue and maybe some stamping in the background. So I'm just going to put some music on, so let's get started. here's the layout. I just use just a little bit of different mixed media and stuff. Not a whole lot, but yeah, real fun. And I'm gonna have to get my watercolors out of storage. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching.